Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We need those. We're on the grind at 10K before the year's over with, and we can do that. Just hit that sub button. I definitely would appreciate it. Now, down below in the comment section, y'all gonna say my shirt is wrinkled, and I know that. So just don't even comment. The reason why I'm still wearing it, it's laundry day and I got a lot of stuff to do. Anyways, guys, today is a mystery box unboxing. I have two boxes that I wanted to unbox in front of you guys. I was probably gonna split it up in two different videos, but instead I decided to do it all at once just to get those out of the way. The first box is something that I'm super excited about. I told y'all in my last video that I had a lot to talk to y'all about and a lot of announcements I had to make. With that being said, the first announcement that I have to make is one of the most proudest announcements I've ever made on the channel, and it just shows where it's going, what it could possibly be leading to, and just like the beginning of something that could be very special. Without further ado, that first unboxing is, y'all see this, man? Hold up, don't need to see my address, but y'all see the box. This box is actually heavy. I actually heard it when I caught it, but this is the first box of the unboxing. Like I said, it's very important to me. Hopefully you guys love it and show love down below in the comment section. Let's just see what it's gonna be. And actually, I'm not even gonna rip this box open like I used to rip all my boxes open, because this one a little bit different. Woo! Here it is, baby. I don't know what the hell all this confetti stuff is, but look like I'm gonna have to clean that up in a second. Let me get up. Oh my God. You guys, here we have it, man. I'm super excited to present the ultimate sneaker cleaning kit from Reshoevn8r. Huge shout out to Reshoevn8r. When I went to SneakerCon Chicago, which was honestly one of the best experiences I think I've ever had in my life, I ran into the people from Reshoevn8r at the table. I talked to them, told them I always use their products, how dope it'll be if they can actually send something to the channel, allow me to unbox. And I didn't know how it was gonna go, honestly, bro. Like, I didn't know. And man, a few months later, they wound up contacting me, and we made it a few months. That was like a few weeks ago. But anyways, man, we made it happen. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys, but more importantly, I have a promo code. That's right, Sniper Jones is the promo code. Anything you buy on the website, if you just put in Sniper Jones for that promo code, you get 10% off. Anything on the online website, you get 10% off. So please use that. And matter of fact, this is how we gonna rock it, bro. This is how we gonna do it. If you use my promo code, Sniper Jones, and you get 10% off of any purchase on the website, screenshot me your purchase and I will shout you out my next video just for showing love, supporting me, because you know what I'm saying, I actually do want to make an impact with this opportunity. So if you buy anything from Reshoevn8r.com and you use the promo code Sniper Jones, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it right there. I will shout you out my next video. My Instagram and Twitter is right here. All you gotta do is screenshot it, send it to me. I got you, bro. Right off the bat, man, we got this sneaker cleaning drop towel, which I see all the time, which is so crazy. All of this stuff, I watch like restorations with Vic, and I watch a lot of people from Reshoevn8r, and just about everything that they use is in this kit, which is amazing. So they got the drop towel, which you would use after you get done cleaning your kicks. You need to dry them off, you go ahead and use that. They also gave me the Reshoevn8r shoe horns, which is very important. Anytime you guys are cleaning your kicks, make sure you stuff these in there, so you know what I'm saying, you get the full-fledged thing. You know what I'm saying? When you brush it, when you're cleaning your heels, of course, this applies pressure to the toe box, so you always can have a sturdy little base to put in. So they gave me a few pair of these, actually 2 pair of these. Also, they gave me the Reshoevn8r sneaker wipes. Now, these are definitely gonna come in handy, because once I'm on the move, I can bring these with me, or once before I throw them back in the containers, I can give them a nice little wipe me down. The collapsible bowls. This is where you will put all of your sneaker solution in when you're cleaning your shoes. If you don't want to use your mama's Tupperware, and next time you eat leftovers, it tastes like Reshoevn8r, you need this collapsible bowl to pour this in. You can reuse it, wash it out. I'm telling you, that is also necessary. Sneaker laundry bags. This might be my favorite part of what Reshoevn8r does, because they have this laundry system where you put your sneakers in the bag and you will put them separately in the bag. So you use them separately. So this is for your left shoe, right shoe, whatever. You put them separately in the bag, and then you would put the sneaker laundry solution into the washer, and you will wash them like that. But it's super efficient. I've seen it used, I've seen it done hundreds of times, and they always come out A1. You usually do this if the regular base wash that you would do with the solution doesn't work, or you still got dirt or stains that you can't get out with the brush. Put them joints in the laundry, bro. I promise you, they come out crisply. You have the stiff bristle brush that you will use on the midsoles. You get the soft bristle brush that's used for the more premium suede, more for the more delicate products, so you don't mess anything up. Make sure you pay attention, because you don't want to use the wrong brush on the wrong materials, because it won't turn out the way you want it to. And this one, okay? This one right here. Now, I know I said the laundry system is my favorite, but this gotta come in second. To everybody with stinky feet, this is the Reshoevn-Ator deodorizer, bro. For all y'all that be hooping, and for all y'all who just got the sweaty, stinky feet, bro, please, for everybody in the house, spray this about twice up in your kicks, man, so we don't need that. We don't need none of that. And the absolute last thing that came in this package is the actual sneaker solution that you will pour into the collapsible bowl and actually use to clean your sneakers, man. So once again, guys, make sure you head to Reshoevn-Ator. If any of these products you've seen that you might be interested in, I know a lot of y'all always ask me, how do I keep my shoes so clean? It's all about maintenance. Like, I still got shoes from high school that I still rock to this day. Matter of fact, these right here, okay? These right here still from like the year I graduated high school, which is crazy. And they still look almost brand new. It's all about maintaining your kicks, all about keeping them fresh and making them last as long as you possibly can. Next up, guys, we have a sneaker unboxing that I was super excited about at first, until I realized I ordered the wrong size. Yeah, man, sometimes we make mistakes about ordering the wrong size. Actually, we don't. You rarely hear somebody say they ordered the wrong size, and I ordered the wrong size, bro. But what's dope about this package is it's not yet released, so I guess it's like an early look, but not really, because it drops tomorrow, Friday. Don't really know when this video gonna be dropped, but hopefully it's before they release, because that would be kind of dope. As y'all can see, man, shout out to Nike. I hit for these on Sneakers app. Don't know how I've been hitting on Sneakers app the last few attempts I've been trying. I actually hit, which is super crazy. I never hit on Sneakers app. There we go. Woo, man. Who really gonna clean this up? All right, guys, Kyrie box. As y'all can see, Kyrie box, and it is a size 9.5, bro. I wear 12. There is no way I can possibly even put my big toe in this shoe. I was so excited that I hit for this shoe, and I was rushing so much to hurry up and check out before before like sizes run out. I clicked the wrong size, and y'all know once you hit that buy button on Nike.com, it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? On Sneakers app, it's a wrap. It's already sent off. Your order is already confirmed, and then it was an L. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sell these, probably get my money back. I'm not asking for too much for them. But if you didn't know, Kyrie Irving had a great commercial for Pepsi, and he had a character named Uncle Drew. Somehow, some way, Uncle Drew turned into a movie idea, and I'm super excited to see it, because it got people like Shaquille O'Neal, Reggie Miller, I heard, so many people in this movie. And I mean, I'm a Kyrie fan, man. He used to play for the Cavs, so shout out to my boy Kyrie. This shoe was specifically made for the movie Uncle Drew. In fact, it is called the Uncle Drew Kyrie 4 that he's wearing in the actual movie. So I had to pick these up just for like nostalgia purposes. I mean, Uncle Drew is like a big thing. Bow! Here you have it, the Uncle Drew Kyrie 4. Honestly, man, this thing is sick. I did hit for a pair of Kyrie 4s before on the Sneakers app. I hit for the Kyrie 4 Confetti. I'm not sure if you guys watched that review, but it is in my video, so you can check that out, because the Confetti Kyrie 4s are my favorite ones, hands down. This shoe is super dope. It looks way better in a smaller size. I can only imagine what this would look like in a size 12. The reason why I like it tough is you see that gum bottom that pops a lot, and the speckles on the midsole is a good touch too. See that knitted, almost look like a woven Nike check. That blue, that royal blue, stands out a lot. And of course you see the Kyrie on the tongue, which is a pretty dope touch as well. This shoe is set to release this Friday for the retail price of $120. So if you guys are interested, then I think this is a dope shoe. Is this a shoe you can hoop in? Absolutely. This is absolutely a basketball shoe. This is not really a shoe that you will rock, you know what I'm saying, out to the club or just out trying to be fresh, but it is indeed a basketball shoe. I'll only hoop in Kyrie's. Kyrie 1s to be exact. The main reason is because of the traction that you see all the way even up on the midsole. I think it really relates to Kyrie Irving's game because if you ever watch how shifty he is, his crossover and his quickness, he's always on his heels. Sometimes he even scores on all angles of the court by his feet be like leaning on the court like this, and you still have grip on the upper. So I think that really enables him to be Kyrie Irving at the end of the day. So this shoe really resembles his game. It's very, very durable, just like he is. I'm not sure how many of my subscribers out there actually hoop, but this is a dope hoop shoe, and just about everybody is hooping in a pair of Kyries, whether it be the 1s, 2s, 3s, and now the 4s. People are hooping in Kyries on a regular. Listen guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in once again to another video. Please be sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button if you are new, because we are grinding for that 10K. Also, once again, use my promo code Reshoevn8er, Sniper Jones. I will link it down below in the description, and pop it up one more time on this screen so I can use that. All you have to do is use that code for anything you want on the website, and I will shout you out my next video if you send me a screenshot. Just DM it to me. Trust me, I'ma check it. I appreciate y'all as always, man, and until next time, it is Sniper Jones. Gang, gang.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live.